Updating your billing information on WorldRemit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the WorldRemit website or open a mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Within the account settings, find the option labeled Billing Information or Payment Methods. Click on this to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Edit the necessary fields with your new billing information, such as credit card details or billing address. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid issues with transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on WorldRemit. Regularly checking your account details can help prevent any disruptions in your transactions.